Finally have our winter boots. It's been pretty warm since that first little snow that stuck. Was not heavily earlier. It is now just like small snowflakes. But here's our winter, we have a winter snowstorm. So let's just do the walk around. They're not gonna plow this till tomorrow when the snow finally stops snowing, so falling. So it's great. It's actually gotten 5 inches of snow. Not 5 inches, not have stuck fully to the ground because we just had 50s a few days ago, so yeah. But this is pretty deep. This is literally untouched. It's pretty deep. That deep. Maybe another 2 to 4 inches still. Not too bad. We've had some snow showers earlier this week. We'll have a few more as the week goes on, so. Oh my gosh, I need better thing for this. Oh, this is so hard. Oh, this street doesn't look like they need to come do better treatment because I look at it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Yay. I'm cold.